Do you want to know how you can make extra amount of money online by just doing affiliate marketing and by just liking different posts into social medias that you usually use in your daily life? Well, if the answer is yes, make sure to stay with me till the end because today I'm going to share with you a very unique affiliate marketing strategy which is going to work totally for free and for every one of you. But before I start, if you like this kind of content and you want to see more, if you like to make money online, make sure to give a big thumb up to the channel. Make sure to like the videos, make sure to subscribe and push on the notifications on so whenever I post a new video you will get notified. And as well, if you want to help your familiars or your friends, make sure to share this kind of content so they can be able to understand how to make money online, same as you are able right now thanks to tutorials that I'm sharing with you. Bear in mind, guys, this kind of strategy is going to work for everyone and you will be able to earn up to more than $10 per minute by just using it and by just making affiliate marketing. This is going to work worldwide, as you may see even from the image, and it doesn't matter that you may come from different parts of the world. Everyone who is watching this video can use it to make money online. This is a total new website which you have never seen before, guys, so make sure to watch it till the end and to understand and to follow every single step of it so you can understand how it works. Yeah, guys, this is going to work even though that you don't have any previous experience or any skills at all. This is going to work for every new beginner and even for those of you who have tried to make money online. Now let's jump straight forward to the platform and tell you which one of them is and how it is called, also how you can use and search for that on Google and start make money online. This is not similar, guys, to the freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Digistore24 or other ones. This is totally different because you are going to do affiliate marketing and you are going to do likes and get paid for just doing that. And yeah, guys, the platform is called Propory.com. Now, do not just interrupt this video and start continuing by yourself because you will get confused and you will not know what to do. So make sure to stay with me. Now, as you may see, the amounts of money that this platform it gives and why it is so special, different from the other ones, it's because it will pay you money just for doing likes and doing affiliate marketing. This is a platform which offers likes and followers to different social media websites like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and one, but mostly focused on Instagram. So people here come and pay to this platform so they can have more likes, more followers, so they can grow their Instagram account. Now, guys, don't worry because this is not a video which is going to ask you for any money, or this is not a tutorial which is going to ask you about any money at all. This is a tutorial which is going to help you to understand how you can make money online without not paying any money at all, but just by putting a little effort into it. So if you see the likes that they are offering are different and it varies from the amounts of money online. At the very beginning of it, you may see that this platform is offering likes totally for free, so people can see here that this is not a scammed website. So as soon as they see that they are going to bring real likes and real followers, they will pay it more because they will make it sure that it is secured and legit. In order to make it secured as well, you can just go to Trustpilot and search for Propory, and you may see that the reviews or the rate is almost 5 stars and the reviews are almost excellent. So this will make you more secure and more sure that this is not a scammed platform. You may see as well that the number of the likes it varies and the amount of money online that people will need to pay for that is varies. What is something very good about this platform is because it gives you gradual increase. So it means that it will give you instant stars, so it will give you some likes and followers, but they will not be immediately because this will make Instagram to delete all of your followers because they will think that it's scammed. But as soon as they see that it's not scammed and it's going to see that the followers are growing up gradually, they will totally think, or they will for sure think that this is real because they are offering real followers. You can see even other reviews and other information about these platforms, the ones that I'm not gonna read, so I will not make this video longer, but what is important is as well the followers. So if you click there, you will see how many money people will need to pay to this platform, which is a very cheap amount of money for just earning that. So this will make people help and want more to use this platform. So somehow they will get addicted not only with a very good followers and likes they give, but as well to the payment amount of money. In order to access this platform, you will need to go to the very end of it and to click or even into sign it, but as well into referral program. Program, it will be better because this is what you're gonna do. Here at the very end, you can see that this platform, it works with almost every single country all around the world, and you can use different cards to start earning money online with that. Into referral program, this is how it's going to look like. You will be able to understand how you can start make money online with it and how many money you will get. So for $100, you will get 20% of the amount of it, but for a 1K and 10K, you will get 35% of that money. So that's huge, and that's enormous, and no, not other companies or websites do that. In order to access the platform, just click into register and you will be directed into their main page, where you will see that people will not only get or will use YouTube, Instagram, but they will use YouTube for followers, subscribers, and so. Now you've got the affiliate link, you've got the platform, but what is important now is traffic, and where you can find it. Don't worry, I've thought even for that. So just go to Quora.com. This is a platform which I really like. It's one of the best because it offers millions and billions of traffic, and people are using that worldwide. And what you can do into Quora is to search for a question like, how do I get Instagram followers, same as I am typing right over here, and you will see that this platform will give you a variety of different questions people doing to this platform for gaining Instagram followers. And you can just do what you can just do is just to go to this questions and answer to different people answering that together with your affiliate link. So you can type something like, check this out, this platform is going to help you to earn more followers, and together with that you will attach the affiliate link, and you will be able to have a lot of traffic toward your affiliate link. You will be able to earn money just by doing so. What is important as well, worth mentioning, is that people, whenever see this platform and whenever they see that it's not fake and it's real followers, they will use it again and again. Again, you will get paid for just doing so, because these people are signing thanks to your affiliate link. And this is how it's going to function. Now, if you have seen something new, guys, here, and you learned how something new, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and to push the notifications on so you will not lose anything that we post so far. Thank you for watching.